Two big VPN titans dazzle the market, but only one can truly keep you covered. Which one really delivers? On the left, NordVPN, top-tier security with blazing speeds. And on the right, Surfshark, affordable privacy that covers all your devices. Let's skip past the marketing talk and dive straight into what matters for you. Every category puts points on the board, so you can see exactly who earns the crown. The result? It might just surprise you. To give you the lay of the land, here's the mind map of what we're comparing. Price, speed and performance, server network, privacy and security, features, device support, streaming and unblocking reliability, and customer support. Yep, we're going all in. First up, let's talk about price. NordVPN comes in with pretty good value when you look at how feature-packed it is. But you know what? It's still more expensive, starting around $3.39 per month if you grab a long plan. And if you want the absolute cheapest, Surfshark kind of steals the show here. You can get it from $1.99 a month, which is, honestly, kind of wild for what you get. Long story short, Surfshark wins for price. If you're on a budget or want to cover more devices without breaking the bank, Surfshark is the one you'll eye first. Now, speed and performance. NordVPN doesn't mess around. These guys are top of the pack when it comes to seriously fast downloads and uploads. Streaming, gaming, even those big downloads. NordVPN's got your back. The only downside, you're paying a little more for those ultra-high speeds. Surfshark, though, isn't a slouch. It's consistently fast, and you'll have no trouble streaming in HD or just regular browsing. But if you're really pushing the limits, like working on distant servers, NordVPN pulls ahead. So, speed crown goes to NordVPN. Next up, the server network. NordVPN totally flexes here. Over 7,100 servers in 118 countries. That's almost overkill, right? But if you travel a lot or need really specific region access, that's a big plus. The only hitch with NordVPN? You're limited to just 10 devices at once. Meanwhile, Surfshark has a respectable 3,200 plus servers across 100 countries, which, let's be real, is still massive. Plus, get this, unlimited simultaneous connections. Literally, your whole house, all your friends, everyone can jump on. But still, when it comes to sheer server count and coverage, NordVPN's got the edge. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Surfshark lets you cover unlimited devices? Like your laptop, your phone, your grandma's smart fridge, all protected. Not even NordVPN does that. Let's move into privacy and security. NordVPN is that no-nonsense privacy guardian. It's based in Panama, totally outside those intelligence sharing alliances, so, you know, fewer prying eyes. You've got no logs policy, RAM-only servers, and they even got Deloitte to audit them in 2025. Super fresh. Surfshark fights back strong, though, also rocking RAM-only servers, AES 256 GCM encryption, and their own Deloitte audit. But the catch is, they're based in the Netherlands, which, yeah, is inside that Nine Eyes alliance. They do offer some unique perks like an alternative ID and virtual number, but when it's down to the real privacy nitty-gritty, NordVPN nudges ahead. Okay, features. This is one of my favorites. NordVPN's packing things like threat protection, dark web monitoring, that fancy double VPN stuff, cookie pop-up blocking, dedicated IPs. You get the idea. Surfshark's not playing around either. Clean web ad blocker, cookie blocker, data breach alerts, multi-hop VPN, and you even get this alternative ID tool. No preset double VPN like Nord, but honestly, both are so loaded, I can't call a clear winner here. It's a tie. Seriously, you're winning with either. Now, device support. NordVPN supports all your major platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, Apple TV, but only up to 10 devices at a time. It's fine for most users, but come on. In 2025, Surfshark rules here. Unlimited devices, same wide platform support. Take your pick, but if you're the tech person for your whole family, Surfshark's what you need. All right, streaming and unblocking. NordVPN is just relentless here. If you want Netflix, DAZN, tricky things like betting sites, it's the most reliable. You also get more backup server options, which is a lifesaver if a streaming IP gets blocked. Surfshark is reliable too. Unblocks all the biggies, works across platforms, but with a smaller server pool, you might hit a wall sooner. NordVPN keeps the streaming crown. Lastly, customer support. Both NordVPN and Surfshark are actually killing it. 24/7 live chat, loads of help center articles, all the assistance you could need. Nothing bad to say here, it's a draw. If you need a quick, at-a-glance breakdown, just check out this radar chart. It's literally the fastest way to compare strengths across all these categories. So, bottom line, NordVPN is perfect if you want best-in-class privacy, non-EU jurisdiction, speed, and server options, especially if you're picky about where your data goes. Surfshark, meanwhile, is my go-to recommendation for anyone who just wants hassle-free protection for a million devices without blowing their budget. Both are excellent. It just depends on how and where you use the internet. Hey, if you found this breakdown useful, slap a bookmark on it for quick VPN insights whenever you need. Stay secure, stay private out there.